Okay, so right now I'm gonna show you how to add a custom login and register form to your Wix website. Now, adding a custom login and sign up form to your Wix website is not the same as adding um it's not the same as adding the Velo sign up and login for. It is different because for doing the Velo one you have to do code. Now for doing this one you don't have to do code. So right now we're gonna learn how to do custom one. Another way of doing is the default one. The default one is really like I wouldn't really recommend it because you can even like change the text font to it. The ones I will most recommend you is like the custom one, and now if you want it like a little bit more advanced than the Velo one, but today we're gonna learn how to add the custom one. Okay, it is very easy and you will see it right now. The first thing that we'll need to do is go to the editor of the website that we're building right now. So first we're gonna add the members area. So we're gonna go right there to add. We're gonna go members, and as you see this little thing there that says add a members area, so we're gonna click add it to site. As you see, there are many related apps that you have there that go on with the members area. So we are just got that you can add it to like Wix groups, Wix forum, pricing plans, Wix file share, Wix challenges, and Wix shared gallery. Right now we're just gonna add the members area because it is what is necessary to do a custom login and sign up form to add it to your Wix website. So we're gonna click add it to site. Now this little thing there appears. We have the member profile card, which if you click settings, you can usually change the layout of it, a little bit of the design of it too, and the backgrounds and border, and the badges. Create badges there, and well, many other things, right? And we have also this little horizontal menu. You can manage menu, navigate menu, and do a little bit of the layout and a little bit of the design and a little bit of an animation. And here you can also get some help. Right here in this one you can get some help too. And now this on my account thing, you can decorate there many ways. So here settings, here that, and now we have the design also. We also have the login bar, which is you click set up login bar. You can just do this and put the member sign up settings like the layouts, the design, and also some animation. And now we also have these little help things there. But what we want to do right now is usually add the sign up and login form. So what we will need to do for that is go to menus and pages, go to member sign up, and now we will see both the sign up form and the login form. Both of them are set to default. We need to change them for them to be set to custom, which is what we're doing right now, right? So first we're gonna set it to custom to custom the sign up one and then the login one. You can do it either way. It's just me. I'm doing it this way. I don't know why, but I'm just doing it this way, just like a little example here. So we will just need to click for the sign up from the settings thing, and now we're gonna click we want to make it custom form. Before this I also named the velo form, but for the velo form since we have to do code, then you have to have velo activated. So we're doing the custom form right now, so we're gonna click custom form, and then we're gonna click add to site. Now that little member sign up form appears there. And okay, now we have the form title here. Um, so you can just instead of putting it sign up, you can put like sign up now or something like that. And we're gonna leave it there in sign up. Um, I'm gonna change the font to Robot. And I'm just gonna put like that. Or usually I'm usually gonna put it like usually like that. I'm gonna just do that. And now here we also have all the fields, right? So to add a new field or to delete a field, just delete it, yeah. So to add a new field, you will just click add a new field, and then you will click um there you can add many fields. You can add terms checkbox. You can add something to join the community or not. You can add a privacy policy. You can add a code of conduct and many other things. I'm just gonna put one of join the community so that people can say if they wanna usually to appear like on the community or they just wanna just like log in and just see how it looks. We have some contact fields and we have this little recap chatting so that they say that you're not a robot. I'm just gonna add that there and I'm usually gonna move this a little bit there and okay move that there, and now we have this other thing. I'm gonna move it down there and wait a second. um so I'm just gonna put it right there and I'm gonna put that there. And I'm also gonna put that little thing there. So I'm gonna delete that. And now we have the recaptcha field. I'm gonna put this a little bit down there. Or actually like that, yeah. And now we have that there. We can usually change the layout of it. How you want it to look like. I'm just gonna put one column on it. Now we have the design also, so how we want it to usually look, right? How we want this to look. I'm just gonna put that I want it to look like that. Now we also have the little already a member login thing. I'm just gonna like put it a little bit more like that and put this a little bit the text kind of bigger. I'm gonna change the font to blue. Or actually 02 dead. Now we also have that little sign up button there, which you can change the text. I'm just gonna put it sign up. And now we have already finished creating our custom sign up. Now we're gonna create our custom login. So we will go to menus and pages again, and we're gonna click right around the settings of this login form. Now we're gonna change this to custom form. We're gonna click add it to style. And now we are gonna just change this a little bit. Wait a second, I'm gonna just I'm just gonna put this there. I'm just gonna put login. Actually, let me see how the other one I put it. Okay, so I put sign up like that. So in this one, I'm just gonna put login like that. I'm just gonna change the font to that. I'm gonna put this like that. I'm gonna put this bold. Now we have this new to this side sign up thing. I'm just gonna put that like that. I'm gonna put this thing there, bold. Gonna put this a little bit more like that, a little bit bigger, and gonna put the category like that. And okay, we have this email and password thing. And we can also add like kind of like an animation to this. I'm just gonna put no animation. Now we have that little forgot password thing, which is very useful for the members. I'm just gonna put the font size a little bit more like that. And then this little login button there, I'm just gonna put this like that. Now we have the little thing or login with. I'm just gonna put or login with. I'm just gonna delete the little text there, but I'm gonna leave the social login thing. And you can put there if you want to enable Facebook login, and if you want to enable Google login. And now we have these little buttons thing too that we can put on buttons too. So I'm just gonna usually put this on buttons. And now we have finished making our custom login. Um, and something that I wanted to show you all. So we have finished doing that there. So something that I wanted to show you also is, wait a second, I'm gonna go to the home page, and as you see, we have the login bar there. Set up login bar. We're gonna go to member sign up settings. So who can be a member? Everyone or people I approve. Which option shows first, new member sign up or existing member login? Well, we have the little social and community thing if you want to enable Google login or enable Facebook login. And now we have the policies if you want to show a link to the terms of use or show a link to the privacy policy. Um, so that is very important for your website, right? And okay, now we have usually finished doing this. I'm just gonna okay. I'm just gonna save it. I'm gonna publish it because we have finished doing this. And now we're gonna click view site. Now if they go to login, it will redirect us to the sign up page. I want it to redirect us to the login page. So what we need to do for this is go there because if they click login then it redirects us to our sign up page and that's really bad, right? So the only thing that we need to do is go to the login bar, set up login bar that there, and which options show first, new member sign up or existing member login. I'm just gonna put existing member login, just gonna save it again and publish it again and view style. Now when we go to login, redirect us to the login page. This is just example email, there is not a real email or anything. And now we could click login. And now it says wrong email or password. And why is this? That is because this user is not registered. So in order to register, I will need to go to the sign up page, put my first name, my last name, my email, and my password. Now you will just do this I'm not a robot thing. I'm just gonna select all the things that are traffic lights. And now I click sign up. And now here we can go to this my account page and we can usually edit our profile and do many other things there. Um, so we already finished doing this. So bye, this was all the video.